Welcome to Morocco, where the call to prayer drifts over rooftops as the sun begins to set. Inside the Medina, the streets seem to fold in on themselves. Colors, scents, and voices layered into every corner. The Sahara stretches endlessly in every direction. Silence broken only by the slow steps of a camel caravan. Chefchaouen was painted blue for reasons no one fully agrees on, but the effect is impossible to forget. Moroccan cuisine simmers slowly, patiently. Warm spices, tender tagine, and mint tea poured with quiet ceremony. In the Atlas Mountains, villages sit quietly above the clouds, life shaped by altitude and tradition. In Fez, this craft hasn't changed in centuries. Color, hard work, and patience dyed into every hide. Essaouira's walls have faced the Atlantic for centuries, a fishing town shaped by wind and salt. Ait Ben Haddou rises from the earth itself, clay walls that have stood since long before memory. Under the desert sky, the stars feel closer than anywhere else, a stillness that's hard to describe. Every rug, every lantern carries hours of quiet, careful work, craftsmanship passed down without needing words. Morocco isn't just color and spice, it's a rhythm of life still deeply rooted. Subscribe and join us, a new country every day.